There are so many ways you can scramble eggs. I've shown you how to do it in a pan. I've shown you even how to poach scrambled eggs. Now I'm going to show you how to do them the bain-marie way, which is very old school French. The reason you would do this is if you're doing scrambled eggs for a lot of people and you want that beautiful custard-like finish. So what I do is break my gorgeous Sunny Queen free-range eggs into a bowl. You can see how lovely and fresh these are and that deep orange colour in the yolk. And I'm going to do 4 eggs for this batch and nothing else at this stage. We're going to place this bowl onto a bain-marie. Now, bain-marie is just a pot with some simmering water, and this does take time. Be patient. I tell you what, sometimes the things that take a little bit more time taste even better. I promise the results are incredible. So now you need a whisk, break up the eggs, and now this is going to slowly cook. You'll see the eggs start to stick to the sides of the bowl. It'll start to curd and we'll be left with the most gorgeous eggs. I'm going to finish it off with some butter and some cream. Of course, the classic French way. You can see these eggs are cooked, so I'm going to turn the heat off and I'll add a small amount of butter. You really don't need too much. Just a little knob of butter just to make it a little glossy. And some cream. Again, just a teaspoon. Now I'll just fold that in, and eggs love a bit of salt. So a pinch of salt and some freshly cracked pepper. Fold that last little bit in. And now the best way to serve this is just simple. So you can really show off the eggs just on some crispy toast. That is the perfect way to scramble eggs. They're like clouds. You know what, if I'm having a brunch for a lot of people, this is the way I do my scrambled eggs. You've got control over it. You can do a large batch. You can even hold it and control the heat just over a bain-marie, and you can just cover it with some cling film. Lastly, I like to finish it off with a generous sprinkling of chives. That is a very luxurious French style way of doing scrambled eggs.